Ang distributor naman, let's say gumawa ka ng kanta. You can't just upload it to Spotify.
Why not?
It's not like YouTube.
Bakit?
There's a middleman. Kumbaga,
Which is Spotify? Or hindi pa rin?
No. Si Spotify is the digital service provider. Siya yung
Okay.
platform.
Okay.
So yung nagbe-bridge ng creator to the platform is
Uh-huh.
what we call distributor.
O hindi publisher yun?
Hindi publisher yun.
I thought yung publisher yung naglalako,
Oo.
quote-unquote.
Yes. Yung distributor naman, they bridge the gap between the creator and the platform. Kumbaga, yun nga, pag gumawa ka ng kanta, hindi siya parang YouTube na user-generated content
Yeah.
na i-release, i-upload mo lang sa YouTube. For Spotify, you need to have a distributor para mapunta yung kanta mo dun. Or sa Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal,
Okay.
o whatnot. So, ayun yung role ng distributor.
Mm-hmm.
They collect din royalties for you.
That's what I wanted to know. How much are they taking out of the pie? Or is like what you're saying, mayroon pa rin silang separate fee that they're not really taking away from the composer na?
It depends. Like, for example, one distributor, pwede mo sila bayaran yearly.
Mm.
Tapos, wala na silang kukuning percentage.